Hi, friends. This is Kelsey with Life Alchemy, and this is a 6-minute guided mindfulness meditation to awaken the senses. As we bring awareness to each sense, the invitation is to meet whatever unfolds with a sense of friendliness and curiosity. If accessing any of the senses is activating or not available for you, know that multiple options will be provided. As always, please think of my guidance as suggestions and adapt the practice however best serves you. Let's begin by coming into a posture with a quality of wakefulness. Maybe standing, maybe sitting, maybe laying down or reclining with an intention to stay awake. Taking a deep inhalation and a long, slow exhalation, maybe sighing. If you notice any obvious areas of tension in the body, see if you can welcome a softening. I invite you now to choose an object in the space around you and notice its colors or shapes, patterns or textures. Repeat this process with as many objects as you'd like. Another option is to sense the light through the eyelids or notice sensations in the eyes. Now noticing the sounds in the space around you. Noticing the farthest away sound and the closest sound. Maybe hearing the breath or even the heartbeat. Another option is to notice the sensations at the ears, inside and outside. Now bringing the attention to the mouth, noticing if there are any tastes lingering on the tongue, or noticing the sensations of the tongue. Gently bringing awareness to the nostrils now, noticing any aromas that might be present, or noticing the flow of the breath coming in and out of the nostrils. And now bringing attention to the body, maybe scanning up and down and taking notice of whatever sensations are present or not present. Maybe focusing the attention somewhere specific. seeing if you can welcome whatever arises into kind awareness. Before we close, take a moment to rest here in the awareness of the senses. You might notice if anything has changed during the practice. And as you're ready, gently transition however is best for you. Thank you so much for practicing with me.